So children, coming to alkynes. So children, today we are going to discuss about alkynes. Okay. So alkyne general formula is CnH2n minus 2. And what is the specialty of alkynes? It's compulsory one triple bond. One triple bond. More than one triple bond also possible, but minimum one triple bond is compulsory. Okay. And apart from this, alkynes are also considered as unsaturated along with alkenes. Why? Why they are called unsaturated? Because they have triple bond. Because they have triple bonds. Alkynes. Okay. So as usual, same children, methyne is not possible even in alkynes. Okay. In last video, alkenes, I told you methane is not possible. Why methane is not possible? In the same way, methane is also not possible. Why means to form triple bond, some other carbon or something else should be there. Hydrogen is not possible. Hydrogen cannot form triple bond. You know that. Hydrogen form only single bond. Hydrogen though cannot form triple bond. To form triple bond, someone should be present. Nobody is present. One carbon only. No? And if I substitute one here, children, C1, two ones are 2 minus 2 H0. Hydrogens are also absent. Hydrogens are also absent. And who will form triple bond? Who will form triple bond? No one will form. That's why methane is not possible. And the first compound is ethyne. Ethyne is also called as commonly acetylene. Acetylene. Okay, children. Ethyne is also commonly called as acetylene, children. And anywhere you might have seen will say acetylene. Yes, children, you can see acetylene in welding. All of you know welding, children. To join two metals, they will welders will hold the fire will be coming from one tube. They will weld two metals together. That is called welding, children. In welding, they will use oxyacetylene flame. In weldings, they will use oxyacetylene flame because on combustion it requires large amounts of energy, children. That's why they will use oxyacetylene flame, children. Anyway, what is oxyacetylene flame? All those things we'll discuss later, children. So the first compound of alkynes is ethyne. The first compound of alkynes is what, children? Ethyne. Okay. What is the first compound? Ethyne. Ethyne. What is the general formula? CnH2n minus 2. Substitute 2, children. C2. 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Compulsory one triple bond. Compulsory one triple bond. To form triple bond, one more carbon is needed because hydrogen can't form triple bond. Now think, this carbon completed 3 bonds. How many more? One more. This carbon also completed 3 bonds. How many more? One more. Because tetravalent carbon can form only 4 bonds. This will satisfy with hydrogen. Hydrogen. Now let's go for the dot structure. Okay, cannot all single bonds into 2 to electrons. Cannot all single bonds into 2 to electrons. Cannot all single bonds into 2 to electrons. Hydrogen get what stability, children? Helium stability. Hydrogen will get what stability? Helium stability. Carbon will get what stability? Neon. Carbon will get what stability? Neon. This is ethyne molecule. This is ethyne. Okay, children? Those who did not understand, one more example. Propyne. Propyne is what, children? 3 carbons. Substitute 3 in this formula. C3. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 2, 4. C3H4. C3H4. So compulsory 3 carbons must. One triple bond. Anywhere you can keep, children. Here only you should keep. Here only you should keep. No problem. Here too we can't keep. Here, that here or here. Anywhere one triple bond I will keep here. Okay. Now this carbon already 3 bonds over. One more. This carbon already 4 over. No more. This carbon only 1 over. So when 1 is over, 3. Okay, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now convert all single bonds into 2 to electrons. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hydrogen get helium stability. Hydrogen get helium stability. Hydrogen get helium stability. Hydrogen gets helium stability. Carbon gets neon stability. Carbon gets neon stability. Carbon gets neon stability. Okay, children. Next one. Those who did not understand, one more example. Children, butane. Butane. Okay, children. Butane is 4 carbons. Substitute in this general formula, children. What is the formula? C4. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 2 is how much, children? 6. 8 minus 2 is how much, children? 6. Once again. Okay, children. So 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 2 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. One triple bond anywhere. You may ask, sir, more than one triple bond we should not keep on it. No, you should not keep. But if they ask, you should keep. That asking will come in by naming the compounds it will come. Children, now it won't come. Later we will discuss how to put 2 triple bonds, 3 triple bonds. Now it won't come, children. Okay. Till they ask, you should not put, children. they asked, you should not put. Okay. Now listen, children. Now either here, one triple bond you put. Here I am putting, children. Okay. 3 bonds over, 1 more. 4 bonds over, no more. 2 bonds over, 2 more. 1 bond over, 3 more. Okay, now children. So complete with hydrogen, children. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Dot structure, children. Convert all single bonds into 2 electrons. 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 Children, hydrogen get helium, 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 and helium. Okay, and carbon will get what stability, children? Carbon will get neon stability, children. Okay, carbon will get what stability? 1 second, children. Okay, carbon will get what stability, children? Neon stability. Carbon will get what stability? Neon stability. Carbon, neon, carbon, neon stability. Okay, yes. Okay. No, sir, we want one more example. Yes, children, I will give. How many you want? That many I will give. 10 times. By children, after the class, compulsory, you should practice on your own all these things. If you don't practice, you will never understand. Okay, C5, 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 2, 8, H8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One triple bond anywhere, your wish, children. Anywhere, one triple bond. I am keeping here, children. Okay, now 3 bonds over, 1 more, 4 over, no more, 2 over, 2 more, 2 over, 2 more, 1 over, 3 more. That's all, children. So hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. 1 second, children. Just a second. Just a second. I'm sorry, children. 1 second. I'm adjusting this table. 1 second. Okay, children. Sorry. So please mute your audios, children. Mute your audios. Mute your audios. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Mute your audios, I said. Speak and say you don't understand. Yeah, children. No, is it? No, convert all single bonds into 2 electrons, children. 2 electrons. Convert all single bonds into 2 electrons, children. Okay, children. Hydrogen, helium. Hydrogen, helium stability, children. Hydrogen, helium stability. Please see, children. Hydrogen, helium stability, children. Okay, 1 second, children. 1 second. There is a small problem. This carbon won't get any more now because already 4 over now. This carbon won't get any more. Hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium. Carbon will get what stability, children? Neon. Carbon, neon. Carbon, neon. Carbon, neon. Carbon, neon. See abstract. Maybe you put one hydrogen. Sorry. Okay, here, no more because 4 bonds over no, children. When 4 bonds over, what for the hydrogen? No more. Become here one, children. This is how pentyne is done, children. Pentyne is. Last for your understanding, last one as usual will be, children, decyne will be, children. Decyne. Okay, children. So what is the decyne formula? CnHn 2n minus 2, no, children. C10 2 10 jar 20 20 minus 2 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Triple bond your wish, children. I'll keep here. Okay. 1 noise over, 3 more. 2 over, 2 more. 2 over, 2 more. 4 over, no more. 4 over, no more. 2 over, 2 more. 2, 2, 2. 1 over, 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Sir, can you change the camera angle? It's not visible.
14, 15, 17, 18. So this is decaying, children. Now once decaying is over, now we'll draw dot structure. Okay, children, dot structure is very easy. One, where I get 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth carbon. 2, 3, fourth one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All these are for hydrogen sample. Here no hydrogens here. Hydrogen get what stability? Helium. Hydrogen, 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 helium. Because one more children. Please mute your audio, children. How many times I told? Hydrogen, helium. Why? Because hydrogen one more children. It has to go to 2. So hydrogen, helium. Hydrogen, helium. Hydrogen, helium. 1 to 2. Colon 1. Carbon children, neon 6 to 10. Carbon neon 6 to 10. 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 Carbon is 6 no? 4 more it requires. 4 it will take from hydrogen. And happily it will take neon configuration. 4 it will take from hydrogen. Right. Okay. So children, I told from ethyne to decayne, you have to practice daily basis. If you don't practice now, children, what happens is at the end of the year, simply you will say carbon compounds lesson is very tough. We didn't understand even one word. That's all. Simple. Every year I will listen to this claim. Why means they won't practice now? And they will say by seeing this structure only they'll get fear because they don't know what is formula, what is normal structure, what is dot structure. Simple. Why it means they won't practice. Instead of not practicing, they will say we didn't understand. They will say simply we didn't understand. Easy, no? If you blame on someone else, it is very easy to blame. So simply they will say we didn't understand. You please explain again. As if I explain again, they are going to do miracles. Not like that, children. You have to practice on daily basis. Very easy. No rocket science is involved. Simple structures. Simplest structures on the earth there. Okay, just you have to practice once on your own. You will. I'm telling you, you derive tremendous pleasure if you really do on your own, children. So please all of you practice alkyne structure. Okay, children. Thank you.